types of people live amongst us. No, this is not a difference, I would say, of race, gender, creed, sexual orientation, or maybe carnivores versus vegan, or Marvel versus DC, or Star Trek versus Star Wars differences, or labor versus conservatives. I am talking of people who have two wholly different types of brains. In Doug Brackman's book, Driven, he separates them into what's called the farmer's brain and the hunter's brain. Here is how these two brains diverged. Can be traced back to the early days of human evolution. These distinct brain types emerged due to different survival